Students will explore the Battle of Hastings using direct quotations to answer questions. This approach enhances comprehension and critical thinking. In writing, they will plan a persuasive paragraph, stating opinions and supporting them with textual evidence. This exercise strengthens argumentation skills and reinforces the importance of evidence-based writing. In this lesson, students engage in spelling activities, review reading materials, and explore the Battle of Hastings. They read Chapter 6 with partners, focusing on comprehension. Writing involves modeling and practicing stating opinions using the structure of a persuasive paragraph poster and planning chart. The lesson concludes with a word work session on pursue. To craft a persuasive paragraph, start by stating your opinion clearly. Support it with 3 reasons, such as the control and wealth lords had in the Middle Ages. Use transitions and conclude effectively. For instance, lords controlled land and people, had wealth for castles, and organized armies as detailed on pages 11 to 13. Display the pro chart with the lord's row completed. Plan reading partners strategically, pairing struggling students with those reading at or above grade level. Arrange event sheets for discussion, English shield wall, Norman charge, English response, pursuit, and Norman victory. Use visual cues for vocabulary and provide scaffolding for opinion formation. Understanding key vocabulary enhances comprehension of historical events. Determination drives perseverance in challenges. Penetrate describes breaking through barriers. Tactic refers to strategic actions. Retreat involves withdrawing from threats. Pursue means to chase or achieve. Draw can mean extracting something. Resistance is opposing force. Mass indicates widespread impact. Commission involves ordering tasks. These terms are crucial for analyzing historical narratives like the Battle of 1066. Students will demonstrate spelling proficiency by turning to activity page 10.1. Words like establish, thrive, and unravel will be read aloud, used in sentences, and repeated. Emphasize pronouncing and spelling each word syllable by syllable. This method ensures clarity and retention, crucial for mastering vocabulary. After reading the words, review them slowly, ensuring clarity. Collect all spelling assessments for grading. Utilize the provided template to effectively identify and analyze students' errors, enhancing the learning process. Utilize the spelling analysis chart to track student progress. Focus on words like establish, thrive, and unravel. Identify patterns and errors, such as incorrect vowel usage or syllable misplacement. This analysis aids in tailoring instruction to address specific spelling challenges, enhancing students' understanding and retention of complex words. Analyzing common spelling errors can enhance understanding of pronunciation and syllabication. Students often confuse vowel sounds, such as using I for I in thrive or U for I in acquire. Identifying patterns in these errors, like consistent mistakes in multisyllabic words, can guide targeted spelling instruction effectively. Students will delve into Chapter 6, focusing on William the Conqueror and the Battle of Hastings. Review the map of Europe, highlighting England, France, and Hastings. Key vocabulary includes determination, penetrate, tactic, retreat, pursue, draw, resistance, mass, and commission. Use these terms to understand the historical context and strategies employed during the battle. Students should pair up to read Chapter 6, discussing the text and using the glossary for unfamiliar words. They will alternate reading pages aloud and silently, helping each other with pronunciation and definitions. Guiding questions will aid their discussion, and they should complete activity page 10.2 together. If time allows, they can explore medieval musings and the letter quest activity. The Normans had more soldiers, with approximately 10,000 men compared to the English's 7,000. Key events unfolded as follows. English soldiers formed a shield wall. Normans charged. English forced a retreat, pursued, and were overwhelmed. The Bayeux Tapestry, a 231-foot embroidered cloth, vividly depicts these events, providing historians with valuable insights into the Norman conquest. Pursue means to follow or try to accomplish. For example, the cat pursued the mouse. It's a verb. Synonyms include follow, chase, and track. Have you ever pursued something? Use the word in your response. This understanding aids in crafting persuasive paragraphs, where opinions are supported by facts, much like pursuing a goal with evidence. A persuasive paragraph begins with a topic sentence stating the writer's opinion, followed by reasons supported by text evidence, often introduced with because. The concluding sentence should include a zinger to reinforce the opinion. Distinguishing between fact and opinion is crucial. Facts are provable, while opinions are personal beliefs. Lords in the Middle Ages lived in castles or manor houses, controlling nearby lands and towns. They had wealth to build castles and organize armies of knights for protection. Students should use a graphic organizer to list 3 reasons supporting their opinion, citing text evidence and using transition words, and because to introduce evidence. Students should begin by rereading the text to gather information for activity page 10.3. They will complete this in the next writing lesson. Each student will orally share a reason for their choice with a partner and learn to expand each advantage into a complete sentence using their own words.